All right, we're going to start to do a little live, not too long. This will be about 2 or 3 minutes long. I'm not monetizing the channel because they don't monetize shorts. So anyway, all right, here we go. So this is 2 insiders that have bought today that we believe will move tomorrow if the macro is good. So first one up, you see it here on the screen, that's Tuesday Morning Corporate. TUEM is the ticker. It was traded on September 13th by the CEO. That's very important. And a high conviction bet at $900,000, almost $1 million. Let's look at the chart. You can see what happens. It was directionally bullish, and then the earnings took over and it just continued to drop. They brought in new management. They had new hires across key areas of the organization. And what happened? The CEO literally bought right here, and he's buying the dip. So he bought that at 176. It currently sits at 173. So he's actually down in this trade. So we believe this is a nice swing trade, and we like to trade directionally bullish. This is not, but there was no reason to make this trade unless he knows something is up. It does have a smallish float, does not have high short interest, and they do have over close to $700 million in sales. So that's the first one. The next one we're going to talk about is DMAC, or Diametic Therapeutics. Now the senior vice president sized up for $56,000 total value of the trade. He traded about 15,000 shares, or he bought 15,000 shares at $380, and that was today on September 15th when we're recording this. So if we go to that, you'll see there was no reason to buy this. Again, this is directionally bearish. Hate to see it, but he bought today. He's buying that dip. Again, he bought at $380. He's up 80 cents in this trade. 80 cents is what he's up in this trade. So again, no other reason to buy this unless he knows something. Now the key here is that the 20-day SMA is sitting right there at about $4. So I think once you get clear of that, you can get more bullish all the way up to about 436, maybe even around the 435 mark. You clear that, you can get real bullish real quick. If you look at so we believe, and the RSI indicator is pointing up. Also, the float is fairly small, or no, it's very small at 17 million shares is all. There is no high short interest. They do not have income because they are a biotech, so understand that. So they're not trading off fundamentals, they're strictly trading off catalysts. That's it, right? And so this is what happened to them here. They had a efficacy issue, and that's why it went down, and now they're trying to claw their way back. So those are the 2 insider stocks that are basically buy the dip stocks. Some would call those YOLO buys, but that is what it is. So appreciate you guys joining me. We do this every day, and join us for YOLO Hour. It is the last hour of every trading day, and we just try to find green rockets. So with that being said, guys, watch your 6, go hard in the paint. We'll see you.